Instead of scrolling on a file, page, or folder, the mouse wheel is zooming in or out instead. If this is also happening to you as well in your mouse, try these fixes that we have for you in this video. Now you're likely to come across this issue if the control key is stuck. So, just take a look at your control key and ensure that it's not stuck or damaged. And if so, try using the on-screen keyboard, and in order for you to use it, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type OSK, press Enter, and check the color of the control keys on the on-screen keyboard. Now you should take note if the keys are blue, then it means that they are pressed or stuck. Then in order for you to resolve this issue, try lifting or clicking both control keys repeatedly. But if the keys are still blue on the on-screen keyboard, then maybe you need to repair your PC's keyboard. Another method you can try to do is repair mouse drivers. To do so, open Device Manager, double-click the Mice and Other Pointing Devices option, right-click on the relevant mouse driver, then select Update Driver. Now from here, select Search automatically for updated driver software, reinstall it by going the same steps, and then just click on Install, and once you're done doing that, click the Action tab, and then select Scan for hardware changes. Now you have to restart your device to save these changes. Moreover, you can also use the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter by opening Run, type in the following, then press Enter. Now you have to wait for the scan to be completed. Those are the following fixes if your mouse wheel keeps zooming in instead of scrolling in your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.